Hello everyone and welcome to 38 Royal Palm Circle, located in Treasure Isle in Port Orange, Florida. This is a 55 plus community. Stepping out the covered carport area right here, straight ahead is your storage shed. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home, completely remodeled. New flooring, countertops, appliances, new hood range, stainless steel sink. Stepping back here to the left is your first bath, granite countertops, new stand-up shower, new toilets. It has 2 brand new mini split AC units in the home. Back here is your master bedroom and your second bathroom, also with a stand-up shower. Right here to the left, another granite vanity. Back down this way to your left is your second bedroom. It says brand new LVP flooring throughout the home. This home is roughly 1,350 square feet. The beautiful open concept. Here through your back door, it's a nice little covered patio, privacy fence. To your right here is your storage shed with your washer dryer hookup. Through the back here is your nice sized backyard. Right on out to the creek. Come on down, check it out. This is 38 Royal Palm Circle, located in Treasure Isle in Port Orange, Florida.